Today, we are going to study one of the most important chapters of ecology, biodiversity, and its conservation. This chapter does not only help us understand the variety of life on Earth but also makes us realize why conservation is essential for the survival of humankind itself. Let us begin by understanding what biodiversity actually means. Meaning of biodiversity. The term biodiversity refers to the total variety of life forms present on Earth, including plants, animals, and microbes, along with the genes they contain on the ecosystem they form. The word biodiversity was popularized by Edward O. Wilson in 1988. Levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity exists at three levels. First, genetic diversity. Genetic diversity refers to variation in genes within a species. Example, more than 50,000 genetically different varieties of rice in India, different varieties of mango, different breeds of dogs. Genetic diversity enables a species to adapt to environmental changes, resist diseases, and survive unfavorable conditions. Second is species diversity. Species diversity refers to the variety of species within a region and habitat. Example, tropical rainforest, coral reefs. Among all ecosystems, tropical rainforests show the highest species diversity. Indian examples, the Western Ghats show higher species diversity compared to the Eastern Ghats. Third, ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of ecosystem present in the geographical area. Example, forest, grasslands, desert, wetlands, mangroves, coral reefs. Each ecosystem refers unique ecological functions. How many species exist on Earth? Total estimated species 20 to 50,000 million species described so far, about 1.7 to 1.8 million. In India occupies 2.4% of Earth land area, accounts for 8.1% of global biodiversity. This make India a mega diverse country. Pattern of biodiversity. First, latitudinal gradient. Species diversity increases from higher latitude, that is poles, towards the equator. This pattern was studied by Alfred von Humboldt. Reason: tropical regions are older, less seasonal variation, stable climate for millions of years. Second, species area relationship proposed by Alexander von Humboldt. According to this relationship, S equal to Ca the power Z, S equal to species richness, A equal to area, C equal to constant, Z equal to slope of the line. For small areas, Z equal to 0.1 to 0.2. For large areas like continents, Z equal to 0.6. Importance of diversity. First, ecological stability. Greater biodiversity leads to greater ecosystem stability. Experiments. David Tillman in 1996 conducted experiment on grasslands and observed that pellets with higher species diversity showed greater productivity. They were more resistant to drought. Second, economic importance. Biodiversity provides food, medicine, fibers, timber, fuel. Example, the plant Catharanthus rosaceus, rosy periwinkle, provides anti-cancer drug vincristine and vinblastine. Third, ethical and moral value. According to E.O. Wilson's biophilia hypothesis, humans have an innate love for life and nature. Every species has the right to exist. Loss of biodiversity. Currently, species extinctions is occurring at the rate of 100 to 1000 times faster than the natural rate. We are living in the period of the sixth mass extinction. Causes of biodiversity loss, the evil quartet. The term evil quartet was given by Edward O. Wilson. First, habitat loss of fragmentation. Large forest area are destroyed for agriculture, urbanization, and industries. Remaining habitat are fragmented into smaller patches. Example, deforestation of Amazon rainforest. Second, overexploitation, overuse of nature resources led to extinction. Example, passenger pigeon extinct, overfishing. Third, alien species invasion. Introduced species become invasive and eliminate native species. Example, Parthenium, water hyacinth, Iconia, African catfish. Fourth, co-extinction. When one species become extinct, the species dependent on it also become extinct. Example, plant pollinator relationship. Conservation of biodiversity. First, in situ conservation, conservation of species in their natural habitat. Protected areas are national park, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. India has more than 100 national parks, over 500 wildlife sanctuaries, 18 biosphere reserves. Second, biodiversity hotspot proposed by Norman Myers. Criteria were at least 1500 endemic plant species, at least 70% habitat loss. India has 4 hotspots. First, Western Ghats. Second, Himalayas. Third, Indo-Burma. Fourth, Sunderland, Nicobar Islands. Third, ex situ conservation, conservation outside a natural habitat. Example, zoological parks, botanical gardens, seed banks, cryopreservation. Important conservation efforts were IUCN Red Data Book, Convention of Biological Diversity in 1992, Wildlife Protection Act 1972 in India. Biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth. If biodiversity is lost, ecological balance will collapse. Therefore, conservation of biodiversity is not an option, it is a necessity. Each of us has a responsibility to protect the conserved nature for future generations.